Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, thank you so much for purchasing the template. So let me show you how this works. So basically first, this is the setting page. Here you have the instructions. So what you have to do in the settings. So let me first, we have to enter the currency. Here, here you are gonna put the dates. For example, we wanna see the rate of 2024, 2023, and then the currency. Euros, $. Then what is the initial balance you have? Then the categories. To the by the categories you can enter the percentage as well, like 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 15 and 5% for debt. And then here is the main categories: income, needs, wants, savings, and debt. And here you will enter the categories. If you want to add more categories here, you can add that. These are for the income, these are for the needs, same for the wants, savings, and the debts, like this. Now here we go to the annual dashboard. So this is the whole dynamic. You will not enter anything here. So this is for the whole year: total income, total needs, total wants, everything, like this. And then here is the annual report. Here you have the numbers. Here you have the dashboard. From this report, we have built this dashboard. Then here comes the transaction tracker. So this is the sheet where you will input your data. So double click, enter the date, and then amount. Then see if you want what you want: income, needs, wants, savings, whatever. Income, you will see the drop down for the income. If you select wants, grocery shopping entertainment, like this. Here we have inserted this. For income, we have these categories. We can add more here as well. For example, income. Now go to transaction tracker. Check here income. See freelancing. If we don't want this, we will just delete it. And then like this, we will do enter the data by like this. Then here comes, this is also automatic as well. So whatever here you have entered there in the settings, you will see the data for that. Now for 2023, January, February, March, April. So this is all automatic, and this data is dashboards are feeding from this transaction type. You will only enter the data in transaction type. So here we have the income, use, wants, and debts, saving, etc. And then we have these all the graphs, and then the tables as well. So the crux of this video is that you will only enter the data here and then set the values in the settings, and everything else is automatic. And you can change the names and whatever you want to do in the settings as well in this section. That's it. I hope you will like it. Have a nice day.